Package dimensions: 22.86 h by 5.003 l by 7.62 w centimeters. Country of origin: United States. Package weight: 0.295 kilograms. Fit type: universal. Use this product on new and restored lenses. Keeps lens clear and bright, protects lens from UV rays, seals out dirt and grime and prevents yellowing and hazing. Top reviews from the United States. Fast and easy to use, I am impressed so far. I restored my headlights by wet sanding them with 600 then 1000 then 1500 then 2000 grit wet or dry sandpaper. Then I polished them with McGuire's Plastx. They looked pretty darn good compared to when I started. I bought this to finish the job. This makes them look even better. It is easy to spray on and then spread it evenly around without trying to remove it. Then just wait a couple hours for it to dry to a whitish haze before polishing with a dry cloth. The lights have a real slick feeling. At this point, I honestly don't know how long it lasts or if it will truly protect from yellowing again. But, it doesn't take much of the stuff or much time to do it, so I plan to do it periodically.